Hi guys, and welcome to Buy Direct Online. In this video we're going to show you the Rookee study chair we have here, how it's delivered, boxed, and also how to assemble the chair. So here we have the chair boxed. It's sent out right around Australia like this. So we carry a range in stock, a range of colours which you can see on the website. So we'll just open it up with a knife, just being careful not to go too deep with the knife. Okay, very well packaged. You can see here. Now on the top here there's some instructions and information about the chair. Hopefully after this video you'll be able to assemble this without the instructions, but these are always here to help you. So we have the base, which is a 5-way nylon base, very heavy duty, and as you can see it's in white. Really looks quite nice. We have a gas lift, protected in plastic for transport. We have a set of casters, 5 casters. And then we have the footrest, which is once again well protected. And then we have the chair, which is also wrapped and really well protected. There's a lot of extra cardboard in there which you can see, and that's for protecting the shell and the fabric in transit. So we'll just remove this, and wow, great colour. The white and the orange here, quite a contrast. There's a range of colours you can get this chair in on the website. We keep a range in stock, so you can view them there. Okay, now we'll just unwrap these arms. Once again, you may need a knife just to remove this plastic here and protection. Just being careful once again. Good. Okay, now we have the components all laid out. So we have our chair, shell and seat and back, with our foot ring, or footrest, and our base, casters and gas lift. Now there's no tools required for this assembly, so it's quite simple. Now I would normally start on building a chair with the base and put on the casters. So we'll just open that up. Here we have 5 casters. They're a universal fit. They've got a circlip which once you press it into the base it just locks in to position. So we'll show you how that's done. And often when doing this I would often just wobble it around a little bit just so that it helps them going in, as you can see, and then that just clicks in place. Just applying a bit of pressure. You don't need a tool or a hammer or anything, just a little bit of pressure, and they'll click into place quite well. As you can see. So there we have our base and our casters. Now we'll go to the gas lift. Now these are a tapered design, so they fit into the base and they lock in, so they just wedge in. Once the chair's on and you're seated on it, it'll lock in to position. Now we have our foot ring, and then this just goes straight over the the gas lift. Now you'll need a little bit of pressure on this once again, just to get it to push down and then over the top, and there we go. So that locks into the base, as you can see, creates a little footrest for obviously the shorter children. While they're growing up, they've got something to put their feet on if they're working or playing an instrument. So that's really good. Now we have this, the main part of the chair, the shell, seat and back, and as you can see, the design is really unique here. It's all mechanisms all nicely enclosed so that there's nothing for little fingers to get caught in, and really well designed. So you've got a penetration here, which is the mechanism, and then you've got your gas lift and your button on top, which then obviously raises the gas up and down. So I'm going to pop it into that hole there, and there we have it. There is your Rookee study chair, fully assembled. So as you can see, no tools required and very simple to do. You've got this little button under the bottom. Now this little button here, as you can see, it adjusts the gas lift. So if we just push down on it to make sure it's locked into position, and then pull on the lever and up the chair goes. And once again, put the pressure on and pull the lever and down it goes. So really nice foam padding here on the seat and back. And we'll just show you the actual adjustments. There's 7 stages of adjustment. So as your child starts out, they would have it right down, nice and small, obviously creating the space that they need. And then you've got all of these different adjustments as you go. So you just pull these little levers, as you can see, and you just adjust the chair up. Now as it goes out, creating more seat space, it also goes up, creating more height. So really brilliant design there. And then obviously all the way out as they get larger. So the chair really grows with them as they grow throughout their course of their school time. And so really great product there. And you've also got this little footrest that we spoke about that they can rest their feet on, or they can just spin that out of the way if you don't want to use it, and then put your feet on the ground. So really great design. As you can see, it's a very nice lines on the Rookee chair. So if you'd like to know any more information about it, please reach out to us, and thanks very much for watching.